In this video we are going to see spaceship game using Arduino. So let's get started. For this we need Arduino Nano and Nokia 5110 LCD display. And to control the game we need joystick. This joystick has 5 pins: ground, plus 5 volt, variable resistor x-axis, variable resistor y-axis and switch. Now as this game is only in x-axis, so we need VRX and we don't need VRY and SW pin. So we need only this 3 pin: ground, 5 volt and VRX. Ground is connected to the ground, 5 volt is connected to plus 5 volt, and VRX we are going to connect this to Arduino and we'll connect this to A0 pin. 5 volt pin of Arduino is connected to plus 5 volt. Ground of the Arduino is connected to the ground. Now we have to connect the data pin of the display to the Arduino. It has 5 data pin and I'll connect them to this pin is connected to 5, this one 6, 7, 8 and 9. VCC is connected to the plus 5 volt and backlight pin I'll connect this to plus 5 volt through 220 ohms resistor, and ground is connected to the ground. So this is the only connection we have to do. Now we'll see this in practical. Arduino Nano and the display. As you can see, I have connected these pins to the Arduino pin accordingly, and this VCC is connected to plus 5 volt. This backlight pin is connected to plus 5 volt through 220 ohms resistor, and this ground pin is connected to the ground. And this is pin number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these are all connected according to the circuit. 5 volt is connected to positive rail, ground is connected to negative, and here the both positive and negative rails are connected. Now see here. Here this ground I have connected with black pin. This is plus 5 volt pin and VRX. So we need only these 3 pin. Okay. Ground is connected to negative rail, plus 5 volt pin is connected to positive rail, and this VRX, it is connected to A0 pin of Arduino. Our connection is completed. Now I'm connecting plus 5 volt. Here is negative and the positive. This is the correct orientation, not this one. So in this orientation you have to play. This side left, right. To start the game, you have to press the reset button. And like this you have to play. If you make score 10, then the speed will increase. Here it is 10, and as you can see the speed is slightly increased. Okay, so this is how you can play this game. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.